So we're here at Scott's place and we're going to go and check out the bees. I'm a little bit concerned because here's Scott and he's basically chainmail sort of armour. I'm here in my hoodie and jeans. We'll see how we go. Wish me luck.
5 things. I think at first I would start out with, do you have the time to do it? Because it does take a fair amount of time to look after them. You smoke on them and it starts to make them very active. What they're doing though is they're looking for the edges so they can get down into the hive. Have the resources to do it, and that's everything from a proper situation, a living situation where you can put them where they're not going to bother neighbors, you're not going to get complaints from neighbors, where they're going to have access to the food resources that they need. Do you have the money necessary to make sure that you can cover needs should you suddenly need to buy some more equipment for some reason? We'll typically need to have, for every colony like that, every hive of 2 boxes, you're going to have at least 1 more box sitting and waiting to either put on top, to replace it if something's gone wrong with it. So you need some space to be able to deal with that. The additional equipment. So it's really a matter of assessing your situation about your location, your resources, the time you have for it, and do you have the kind of patience that it takes. Insects have a very different way of perceiving the world and acting in the world. So you want to kind of open up to the idea that you need to learn to sort of get good with the insect mind. So these are all factors in beekeeping. In almost anywhere you are, in almost any community, you will find other beekeepers who are more than happy to help you do it.
Yeah, what a community.
Yeah, definitely a good bee community.
Thanks, mate.
Sure. Looking for nectar. So a portion of the bees are gone. They're actually away. Did it sting you?
Yep.
Sorry.
Are you alright?
Yeah, scrape it, don't pull it.
Don't pull it? Okay.
If you scrape it off, if you pull it, you'll squeeze it and that'll put more poison into you. So you want to scrape it with your nail horizontally.
I got that. Yep, you got me. No, it's alright, you can't really see it. But yeah, 2 of them got me. It's alright, this is part of the deal. So, yeah, bring it to you, risking myself for you.